Welcome back to Galip Travels, and this is my San Vito Lo Capo Travel Guide 2026 in San Vito Lo Capo, Sicily, where I'll show you why this beach paradise should be on your Italy bucket list. In this video, I'll share exactly what to do in San Vito Lo Capo, a smart itinerary, essential travel tips, must-try Sicilian food, and the exact budget you should expect. By the end of this video, you will be fully ready to visit San Vito Lo Capo, Italy with confidence. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments. You will also find the best flight, hotel, and tour deals to visit San Vito Lo Capo, Sicilia through the links in my description below. San Vito Lo Capo is best known for its crystal clear turquoise water, Caribbean-style beach, and the famous Couscous festival that attracts food lovers from all over the world. It is located on the northwestern coast of Sicily, between Trapani and Palermo, right next to the dramatic cliffs of Mount Monaco and close to the Zingaro Nature Reserve. For tourists, it offers white sandy beaches, breathtaking boat tours, hiking trails, sunset views, and relaxed Sicilian seaside vibes. And just to clarify, unlike Syracuse, which is pronounced Siracusa in Italian, San Vito Lo Capo is pronounced exactly as it is written, but with a strong Italian accent. San Vito Lo Capo can be visited as a day trip, but staying at least 3 days makes the experience much more enjoyable and allows you to explore the surrounding areas comfortably. You can spend one full day relaxing at San Vito Lo Capo beach and walking around the charming town center with its cafes and small shops. On the other days, you can take day trips to Erice and Trapani, join a boat tour along the coast, or go hiking in the nearby nature reserves. For a detailed San Vito Lo Capo travel itinerary, please wait for my upcoming videos where I will break everything down step by step. The sanctuary of San Vito Martire is the heart of the town, a fortress-like church in the main square, and entrance is free, but donations are welcome if you wish to support the church. San Vito Lo Capo beach is the most iconic spot here, famous for its soft white sand and turquoise water that honestly looks more like the Caribbean than Italy. San Vito Lo Capo Marina is perfect for sunset walks, small boat views, and relaxing moments away from the busy beach area. Cala Bilechi is a hidden rocky cove inside the Zingaro Nature Reserve where you need to pay a small entrance fee to access the park, but the views and water are absolutely worth it. Faro Sea Club is a stylish beach club built around the old lighthouse area where you can enjoy drinks, music, and a more exclusive seaside experience with paid sunbeds and services. Faro di Capo San Vito is the historic lighthouse at the edge of town, offering dramatic coastal views and amazing photo opportunities, especially at golden hour. Tonara di Scopello is a historic tuna fishery with breathtaking turquoise water, and there is an entrance fee to access the private area and swim in front of the famous sea stacks. Cala Mansina is a quieter beach alternative near the town center where you can enjoy swimming with fewer crowds and beautiful views of Monte Monaco. Torre Isulida is a scenic watchtower area, surrounded by rocky coastline and crystal clear water, perfect for peaceful sunset photography. Spiaggia di Isulida is a wild and less crowded beach ideal for travelers looking for a more natural and authentic seaside experience. You can find the best deals to visit those places on the links in my description, and for a detailed best places to visit in San Vito Lo Capo vlog, please wait for the upcoming videos. Stroll along Via Savoia, the lively main street filled with small boutiques, gelato shops and restaurants, especially vibrant in the summer evenings. Hike up Monte Monaco for panoramic views over the beach and coastline, and start early in the morning during hot months because the Sicilian sun can be intense. Dive into the pristine beaches around town and enjoy swimming in crystal clear water with sunbed rentals available during the high season if you prefer extra comfort. Walk along the Lungomare di San Vito Lo Capo at sunset and enjoy the relaxed seaside atmosphere with locals and travelers. Take a boat tour along the coast to discover hidden coves and sea caves with prices depending on the season and type of tour, especially popular from May to September. Shop for local souvenirs like Sicilian ceramics, handmade items, and local food products that reflect the culture of the island. Take a day trip to Trapani to explore its historic center and port area, easily reachable by car and perfect for adding more variety to your trip. Taste fresh seafood in the town's restaurants, especially couscous with fish, which becomes even more special during the famous Couscous Fest usually held in September. Explore the hidden narrow streets behind the main square, where you can feel the authentic rhythm of daily Sicilian life. Relax at authentic cafes around Piazza Santuario and enjoy a slow Italian coffee break while watching the town come alive. You can find the best deals for activity offers on the links in my description, and for a detailed best things to do in San Vito Lo Capo travel vlog, please wait for the upcoming videos. The closest airport is Vincenzo Florio Airport Trapani Birgi, but you can also fly into Palermo Airport, and I personally flew via Istanbul to Palermo with the high-quality service of Turkish Airlines. Then continued by car to San Vito Lo Capo. From Trapani you can take an airport transfer or bus. There are train connections from major Sicilian cities to Trapani. Cruise ships dock at the port of Trapani. You can drive by private or rental car from nearby cities, and there are also ferries from Tunisia and mainland Italy arriving to Palermo. San Vito Lo Capo is very walkable, but you can also use local buses, seasonal shuttle buses, taxis, rental cars, motorbikes, e-scooters, bicycles, private transfers, boat tours, private boat rentals, and even a hop-on hop-off beach shuttle during the summer season. The best area to stay is close to San Vito Lo Capo beach and the town center, so you can walk everywhere easily and enjoy the atmosphere day and night. For budget travelers, there are small guest houses and family-run B&Bs offering simple but comfortable rooms at reasonable prices. Mid-range hotels provide great value with breakfast included, and luxury travelers can choose boutique hotels or seafront properties with private beach access. We stayed at Hotel Mira Spiaggia in May and paid only €80 per night for 2 people, which was an amazing deal for this location. You can find the best deals for accommodation options on my links below in the description. San Vito Lo Capo is generally more affordable than major European cities like Paris, London, or Amsterdam, especially outside peak summer months. A beachside meal can cost around €15–25, espresso is about €1.5, gelato €3, and mid-range hotels in shoulder season can start from €70–120 per night for 2 people. On average, a comfortable traveler, including accommodation, food, activities, and transport, may spend around €70–120 per person per day, depending on the season and travel style. Yes, San Vito Lo Capo can be very budget-friendly if you plan smart and travel outside July and August. You can stay in guest houses from €50–80 per night for 2 people, eat pizza or street food for €5–10, and since the town is compact and walkable, you don't really need paid transportation because public movement within the center is basically free. A budget traveler who chooses simple accommodation and local eateries can manage with around €40–70 per person per day, including all main expenses. San Vito Lo Capo is famous for couscous with fish, fresh seafood, arancini, cannoli, granita, and pasta alla norma, and you will find everything from casual trattorias to elegant fine dining restaurants. Street food is strong here, especially fried seafood cones and quick bites near the beach, and vegan options are also available in many restaurants with grilled vegetables, salads, and pasta variations. If you want a deeper food experience, you can join local food tours and find special prices through the links in my description below. You can buy Sicilian ceramics, handmade crafts, local olive oil, pistachio products, almond sweets, and small souvenirs inspired by the sea and Sicilian culture. Local food products like capers, couscous, and traditional sweets make great gifts for friends and family. Bargaining is not common in regular shops, but in small markets you might politely ask for a small discount when buying multiple items. Nightlife in San Vito Lo Capo is relaxed and atmospheric rather than wild and loud. Most evenings are spent in open-air restaurants, beach bars, lounges, and small cocktail spots with live music during summer. At night you can enjoy sunset drinks by the sea, walk along the illuminated beach, or join seasonal beach parties, especially between June and September. I recommend spending at least 3 days in San Vito Lo Capo to fully enjoy the beach and explore nearby areas without rushing. Wear light and breathable summer clothes, comfortable sandals, and good walking shoes if you plan to hike Monte Monaco. The town is very safe even at night, but always keep an eye on your belongings during the high season when it gets crowded. Respect local customs by dressing modestly when entering churches and greeting shop owners politely with a simple buongiorno. The best time to visit is from May to June and September to October when the weather is warm, sunny, and less crowded compared to peak summer. A special time to visit is during the Couscous Fest in September, when the town becomes lively with food events and international chefs. The currency is euro, the language is Italian. Most people speak basic English in tourist areas, and visa requirements depend on your nationality as Italy is part of the Schengen zone. Tipping is not mandatory, but rounding up the bill or leaving 5-10% in restaurants is appreciated for good service. For internet access, I recommend using Yesim eSIM, and you can find a special price for my viewers through the links below in the description. Useful apps include Google Maps for navigation, Rome to Rio for transport planning, and the Fork for restaurant reservations. Avoid visiting only for a few hours in peak August without booking accommodation or parking in advance, because that is the most common tourist mistake here. For me, San Vito Lo Capo is absolutely worth visiting, especially if you love turquoise water, relaxed vibes, and authentic Sicilian atmosphere. I recommend it for families who want a safe beach holiday, couples looking for romantic sunsets, solo travelers who enjoy peaceful seaside towns, and photographers chasing dramatic coastal views. What I loved most was the crystal clear sea and the laid-back evenings in the town center, and what I liked less was how crowded and expensive it can become in August. My honest advice is to visit in May, June, or September. Book your stay early and rent a car to explore places like Erice, Trapani, and nearby hidden beaches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more detailed travel guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments here or under my YouTube videos, and I'll be happy to reply.